I am Krishna P of MSc Data Science, and I am going to introduce Google's AI experiment Think Translator, which was developed by Dan Motzenbecker in the year 2017. And this experiment lets you take a picture of something to hear how to say it in a different language. And we can make this experiment with the help of two machine learning API, and the first one is Google's Cloud Vision API, and the second one is Google's Translate API. Google's Cloud Vision API can be used to detect the features within the app like image, face, etc., and offers a powerful machine learning model. And this Google's Cloud Vision also assigns labels to these detected objects. Google's Translate API can be used to translate the detected objects and labels into different languages. And in this experiment, we are using 9 languages including German, Hindi, Spanish, French, Dutch, Chinese, Korean, Italian, and Japanese. And this Think Translator is mainly useful when you travel to some other countries that you don't speak their language. So thus the translation becomes more easier by just showing the objects behind your camera. So now let us see the demonstration of this experiment. So now I am going to take the picture of a flower. Now let us see what the Google detected it as.
Flower.
Google detected it as a
Flower.
flower, and we can also view the translation in Spanish. And in the bottom we can see 3 different confidence scores, and the one which is having high confidence score is provided here as the label, which is shown in English. Now let us select other language, Chinese.
Hua. Flower.
Now you can see the Chinese translation of the flower.
Laptop. Laptop.
Now I am selecting Japanese.
Laptop.
Now you can see the Japanese translation of laptop.
Lat. Leaf.
So now you can see the German translation of leaf. Nextly I am selecting Hindi. Now you can see the Hindi translation of leaf.
Leaf.
So in this experiment what happens is that when we show some object behind the camera, the Google's Cloud Vision API detect that object and provide us with the labels with the help of the confidence score. So the one which is having high confidence score is provided as the label, and also translate it into other languages with the help of Google Translate API. So that's all about the experiment. Thank you.